Hello, welcome to you. Our homework. My family is coming in 1 hour that time. Aisha,
Is your cousin Teddy? He's a writer, he's single, and he like rock music.
is my brother Eddie. He's the doctor. He got the wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about Swan?
I don't know, a cousin,
No.
your brother,
No,
an uncle.
it's my aunt Julie.
Oh, sorry, Miss Morris. She look like your uncle.
Tell me about something her.
She's an architect.
Archie,
Married,
divorce,
2 kids, 3 kids, 5 kids.
no kids, only a more. Here's the next one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who for father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now, pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that long.
Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sister, 40 aunts and uncle, who know how many cousins, nieces and nephews. I say that's a large family.
They lost on coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I thought want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You are doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin George?
Oh,